Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage inspired grandma vibes farmhouse decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage inspired grandma vibes farmhouse decor is a warm, sentimental decorating style that was lovingly collected over generations. It blends classic farmhouse comfort with nostalgic old-world charm, creating a home that feels cozy, personal, and deeply lived in, rather than trendy. This style celebrates the softness, history, and heart. Think of a countryside farmhouse filled with cherished heirlooms, handmade details, and time-worn beauty, just like visiting your grandmother's home. Key elements of vintage grandma farmhouse style: soft, comforting color palette, uses cream, ivory, warm base, faded florals, dusty rose, shush green. Also, muted blues and gentle pastels. These colors create a calm, nurturing atmosphere. Floral and classic patterns: small floral prints on curtains, cushions, or tablecloths. Gingham lace and ticking stripes, crochet or embroidered textiles. Patterns should feel gentle and familiar, never bold or modern. Well-loved vintage furniture, wooden tables with visible wire, curved chairs, spindle backs, rocking chairs, painted furniture with chippy or distressed finishes. Nothing should look brand new. Age is the charm. Handmade and heirloom touches. Use crocheted blanket and lace toiles, embroidered pillow covers, patchwork quilts on beds or sofas. These details add emotional warmth and nostalgia. Charming vintage accessories, ceramic teapots, sugar bowls, and cake stands, enamel pictures, battered dishes, messengers. Use old books, framed family photos, brass or copper items. Every piece should feel meaningful, not decorative only. Cozy layered textiles use floral curtains layered with lace panels, table genre over vintage linens, cushions stacked generously on sofas and beds. Comfort is essential in grandma style decor. Nature-inspired accents use fresh or dried flowers in vases, wicker baskets for storage, wooden trays, rolling pins, plate boards. This brings farmhouse authenticity. Warm, gentle lighting, fabric shade lamps use soft yellow bulbs, candles or lantern-style lights. Lighting should feel inviting, never harsh. The overall feel, vintage grandma vibes farmhouse decor feels cozy, nostalgic, peaceful, emotionally warm, comforting, and timeless. It is a style that tells stories, honors tradition, and makes every guest feel at home. The soul of grandma vibes farmhouse decor. This style is not about perfection, it is about comfort, memory, and emotional warmth. Every corner should feel like it has a story. Milk chairs, quilts staged, flower picked from the garden. It blends traditional farmhouse practicality with grandmother style gentleness. Textiles, the heart of the look. Textiles play a major role in creating grandma vibes. Layered lace curtains over cotton panels. Use floral or patchwork quilts folded at the foot of beds. Crochet throws on armchairs. Hand embroidered cushion covers. Nothing should match perfectly. Gentle mixing creates authenticity. Furniture philosophy. Grandma farmhouse decor follows function first, beauty second. Furniture looks sturdy, practical, and inherited. Slightly mismatched chairs and dining tables. Dressers used as TV stands or sideboards. Open shelves filled with daily use items. Wire, scratches, and patina are welcome, not flaws. Decorative styling. Instead of trendy decor, choose items that feel personal. Stacks of old books tied with twine. Vintage teacups displayed casually. Framed handwritten recipes. Old clocks, mirrors, or wall plates. The goal is collected over time, not decorated in one day. Lighting and atmosphere. Grandma vibes rely on soft ambience, stable lamps in every room, lampshades in floral or linen fabrics, candlelight during evenings. Avoid bright white lighting. Warm light enhances the vintage textures. Farmhouse plus grandma balance. To keep it farmhouse, not overly antique, mix rustic oud with delicate lace. Pair enamelar with floral china. Combine open shelving with cozy textiles. Use neutral walls to clump basic patterns. This balance keeps the home livable and timeless. Storage that looks beautiful. Storage should feel homey. Wicker baskets for blankets. Wooden crates for books. Glass jars for pantry items. Fabric lined drawers. Even practical items should look charming. Emotional design principles. Ask yourself, would this make someone feel cared for? If yes, it belongs. This style is about nurturing energy, perfect for cottages, farmhouses, and small homes. Why this style is perfect for lovers of vintage cottage aesthetics, small farmhouse or country homes, people who value comfortable chains. This decor style is rooted in care, patience, and simplicity. Homes decorated this way feel slow, peaceful, and nurturing. Nothing is rushed, nothing is styled just for looks. Every object has a purpose or a memory. It reflects handmade meals, quiet afternoons, gentle routines, generational living. That emotional depth is what makes the style so powerful. Fabrics and textures beyond the basics. Grandma vibes are felt through touch. Washed cotton, muslin, and linen. Lace that slightly is not stiff, hand knit or crochet textures. Lightly wrinkled fabrics never creeps. Iron perfection ruins the charm. Softness is key. Wood tones and patina. Wood should feel warm and lifting. Honey, oak, walnut, or pine tones. Gently on-edged, visible grain and imperfections. Avoid glossy or dark modern stain. Patina tells the story of time. Wishes is entailed to this style. Wall styling, grandma style, walls should feel personal and calm. Small framed florals or landscapes. Vintage mirrors with curved frames, all plates arranged casually. Calendars, old prints or botanical sketches. Avoid large modern art or bold typography. Grandma farmhouse kitchen details. The kitchen is the heart of this style. Open shelves with everyday dishes, floral or gingham curtains, enamel ceramic jars, and battered dishes. Use wooden spoons in crocks, aprons hung on hooks. Nothing is hidden, everything is used and loved. Bedroom comfort philosophy. Grandma bedrooms felt gentle and protective. Layered bedding. Equal sheets plus quilt plus straw. Is floral or embroidered pillowcases with skirts or ruffled edged. Nightstands with lamps, books, and photos. Minimalism does not belong here, comfort does. Natural elements, soft litten, fresh flowers in simple vases, dried herbs on florals tied with twine, wicker, rattan, and baskets. Use ceramic pots, soft greenery. Nature should feel calm, not wild. Styling rule to remember. If it feels too perfect, remove something. If it feels too empty, add something meaningful. This keeps the home balanced and emotionally rich. Modern grandma farmhouse. To update the look slightly, keep walls neutral and calm. Use fewer patterns per room. Choose all focal window speed. Let negative space breathe. This gives grandma vibes without heaviness. The emotional architecture of grandma vibes homes. This decor style is built on emotional comfort, not visual trends. A grandma vibe farmhouse home feels safe and familiar, gently layered, never struck, quietly expressive, inviting without effort. The home does not show off, it is welcomes. The useful beauty rule. In grandma farmhouse decor, nothing is decorative without purpose. Example, a quilt that is used daily, a teapot that makes afternoon tea, a basket that holds knitting or linens, a side table holding books, glasses, or a lamp. If an item feels useless, it doesn't belong. Color physiology. Why these colors matter. Grandma farmhouse colors are chosen for emotional calm, cream for warmth and safety, soft florals for gentleness, muted greens for healing and nature, dusty blues for peace and nostalgia, bright, sharp, or high contrast colors breaks the mood. Furniture placements. Subtle but powerful. Furniture placement is relaxed and conversational. Chairs angled slightly, not rigged. Side tables within arm's reach. Lamp placed for reading, not display. Pathways wide and comfortable. This layout encourages sitting, resting, and standing a while. Layering without clutter. Advanced techniques. Grandma style in reach, but not messy. Follow the rule of three layers. Base layer, use furniture and walls. Soft layer, textiles, curtains and quilts. Story layers, personal items. Stop after the third layer to avoid overload. Memory-based decorating. This style trips on sentimental storytelling. Framed handwritten recipes, old postcards or letters, vintage candlelights or prints, family photographs in soft frames. This makes the space feel emotionally alive. Seasonal flow, very grandma style, instead of chintzy decor shops. Spring, use fresh flowers and light florals. For summer, use cotton throws and open curtains. Autumn, use warm quilts, deeper tones. Winter, heavier layers, lamps, candles. Decor changes slowly and naturally. The old grandma approved test. Before adding anything, ask, is it comfortable? Is it kind? Is it useful? If the answer is yes, keep it. How this style is not to maintain authenticity, avoid ultra modern furniture. harsh lighting, glossy finishes, minimalist emptiness, change driven decor beaches. Grandma vibes are timeless, not trendy. Vintage inspired grandma vibes farmhouse decor is an atmosphere, not a formula. It grows slowly, lovingly, and naturally, just like a real home. Grandma vibe farmhouse decor is about care. The space feels like it is looking after you, not embracing you. It reflects solo mornings, warm meals, waitings, quiet evenings, gentle routines. This is why people instantly feel relaxed in these homes. The imperfect beauty principle: perfection destroys grandma vibes. Embrace lightly faded fabrics, uneven stitching, patina on metal, own edged on oud. These imperfections tell a story of time and use. Furniture that encourages staying. Grandma farmhouse furniture invites you to sit longer. Deep cushions chairs, rocking or quilted chairs, upholstered benches, dining chairs with seat cushions. Comfort always comes before style. Time-honored decorative objects. Decor items should feel trusted. Old clocks that tick softly. Ceramic figurines used sparingly. Vintage swing boxes. Enamel pictures and bowls. Avoid trendy decor that lacks emotional weight. Stories as part of the story. Stories should feel visible and lived in. Use open shelves with folded linens, baskets under tables, hooks holding aprons or bags, trunks used as coffee tables. Hidden stories feel too modern for grandma vibes. The emotional addict role. If a room feels cold and fabric, empty, and a personal item, busy, remove on modern page. Grandma decor is about balance, not abundance. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.